Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can just click on your photos that you wish to add or select Folders section at the top. Then hold your photo. And in order to add it, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!